Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be visiting it's in my top 5 favorite hotels in Jamaica, and we're gonna pretty much see what it's like visiting hotels during Corona time, what their health policies are like, any restrictions, etc. So stay tuned. We're here. Come, Jody, give it a tour. Give it a tour. Give it a tour.
Makeup and everything.
Okay, yes. Alright. This is the bathroom, guys. Ignore the stuff. You already know what vacation is like. You just get your stuff out and just start searching for things for wear. Alright. This is the closet. Joy, me need a fair talk. Come, want me.
So, this is the bedroom. These are all the stuff I brought for you guys, by the way.
Guys, you know, say when people are come from far and you have to say, yo, should little soap something in your something and come, don't it?
Yeah, so those are all yours. This is Jonas's bed. And then we have a pull-out bed right here. If you wanted to take somebody else in a room,
okay,
you could put them right here. But here's my favorite part about the room. My view. When we have room service.
Guys, look at this. Views. Guys. The view. Guys, so we're heading back out because Jody insists that she wants her
want my
KFC. Yes, like she can't come to Jamaica and not get her KFC. So we're leaving the hotel to go buy KFC. So I'll see you guys at KFC. Okay, guys, so we are here at KFC in Montego Bay Iron Shore. So the security guard fully draped me up right just so because I step past him, no hand sanitizing, nothing. Can't even get used to this star. Yeah. Yeah, but more on my KFC.
Me too.
Guys, so we have been waiting since we talk truth we God love. Look how me I sweat. No sir. Gotten here, which is from I'm hot, so it's really hot today, and then the lobby doesn't really have that much of a cool temperature, so your girl is sweating. But yeah, we've been waiting for our rooms to get ready for a while now. It's sometime after 2, and I know the protocol is 3 o'clock, but I mean, like, who really waits until 3 for a room? like on the verge of tipsy, and she got ear music.
Yeah.
Trouble Daddy.
Girl of the dance.
Trouble Daddy.
You're supposed to dance.
She a walk towards the music. So you know, say Trouble Daddy. Stay tuned. Jody, you're doing
Ladies
this.
and gentlemen,
Yeah,
boys and
You're really doing this.
Yes.
I think I have a good idea to make this more fun. All right? All right. So, I need everybody's attention, please.
Miami, Florida, Jody.
Jody from Florida, come on. Move. You still Goody, what are you doing? Okay, you're waiting like Calm down. Jeez, calm down. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna set Jody off in 3. So when I say 1, I want everybody to say 2 and 3.
Okay guys, I'm going to be screaming a whole bunch just so I can block out the music so I don't get flagged for copyright. So I'll be annoying for a bit.
She's gonna do her thing. Alright? Here we go. 1, 3, DJ. 5 seconds, Jody. Think about what you just did. Go over there and think about what you just did. Let's go.
Two of them have moved. The two of them killed it. Tell me who in the comments you thought won this dance off.
On the beach party tonight. Coming on, I have some fun. The chocolate? I got the chocolate, baby. Don't worry, I got it.
Guys, so today was filled with mostly cool stuff. Barely ate anything, to be honest, so I'm about to get ready to go to dinner. So watch this transformation. What is that?
Stuff. I want to see that about
I don't know why I'm not a Nescafe ambassador because you know I'm writing this. So I asked the bartender for mix me something nice. So let's see.
Alright, so we're gonna shake him up. Big up Dan, big up Timothy, and big up yourself here. And Shroud of Water. We're trying to put together paper party. He's telling us something I like to know.
Now, you must be watching and wondering, how did we get here? A Basala Ray and nephew. That's how we got here.
One man, the other, the other man, the other. Big up the girl and when you know say something tighter than mosquito cough. Me walk out and say, bury me. We can't do this today. We can't.
Morning, guys. So this is my final day at Iberostar. Currently heading to breakfast. It's pretty quiet. It's about 8:30 in the morning. I must say that most of the rooms here are unoccupied. I think they only have occupancy to probably like a small section. So it's not as full and busy as it Guys, get yourself a photographer. Like, they've been at it for almost half an hour now. Alrighty then, we've come to the end of the video, and just want to add that my time at Iberia was actually not that bad. Their COVID protocols weren't as strict, but at the same time, it was enough to keep us safe. It wasn't a lot in terms of food selection and options. The rooms are always pretty good, and the vibe is always a vibe there. Not much night activities, but it is what it is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and see you next time.